Listen up because we're talking serious money-making opportunities in the heart of this Nasdaq correction. The Nasdaq composite is down 12% from its high, a bona fide correction, and that spells opportunity for savvy investors like you. While some are running for the hills, we're digging deep, separating the wheat from the chaff. Today we're talking about two beaten-down Nasdaq warriors, left for dead by the bears, but primed for explosive growth. These are the kinds of stocks that make you money while you sleep, the kind that turn a correction into a cash windfall. So buckle up, because we're going for a wild ride. The Nasdaq composite has entered market correction territory, trading 12% below its record high. But don't worry, there's a silver lining. Today, we're diving into two beaten-down Nasdaq stocks that Wall Street expects to soar in the coming months. Let's get started. First up, we're diving into the high-flying world of ad tech with the trade desk, ticker symbol TTD. Now I know what you're thinking, ad tech? In this market? But hear me out, because this is where the real money is made. TTD has taken a beating, down a whopping 60% from its all-time high. That's right, 60%. The stock's been left for dead, but I smell opportunity and you should too. You see, the trade desk is the undisputed king of independent demand-side platforms, the backbone of programmatic advertising. They're connecting advertisers with their target audiences like nobody's business, and their platform is powered by cutting-edge AI that would make even the most sophisticated hedge fund manager drool. We're talking about the future of advertising here, folks, and the trade desk is leading the charge. Now I know their recent earnings report was a bit of a mixed bag. Revenue growth slowed down a touch, and earnings didn't quite meet Wall Street's lofty expectations. But don't let that scare you off. CEO Jeff Green, a true visionary in the ad tech space, has a plan to reignite growth, and I have absolute faith in his ability to execute. He's talking about expanding into new markets, developing innovative new products, and leveraging the power of AI to deliver even better results for advertisers. This is a company that's built for growth, and I'm confident they'll come roaring back stronger than ever. And here's the kicker: Wall Street analysts, those number-crunching wizards, are predicting earnings growth of over 25% annually for the next 5 years. That's right, 25%. And with the stock trading at its current valuation, we're looking at a potential double in the next 12 to 18 months. That's a 100% upside, folks. This is the kind of asymmetric opportunity that gets me jumping out of my chair. Now I know some of you are still skeptical. You're thinking, Jim, ad tech is risky, especially in this market. And you're right, there's always risk, but that's the beauty of it. With risk comes reward, and the potential rewards here are simply too big to ignore. The trade desk is a dominant player in a massive and growing market. They've got a rockstar CEO at the helm, and their valuation is screaming, buy me. This is a stock that could make you a lot of money, so don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Now, let's shift gears and talk about another tech titan that's been beaten down but is far from out. Datadog, ticker symbol DDOG. These guys are the undisputed champions of observability software, helping businesses keep their digital operations running smoothly. Think of them as the digital plumbers of the internet, ensuring that everything flows seamlessly and efficiently. Datadog's platform is used by some of the biggest names in tech, companies like Netflix, Amazon, and Facebook, and their reach is only growing. They're sitting on a goldmine of data, and they're using cutting-edge AI to analyze that data and provide businesses with actionable insights. This is mission-critical stuff, folks, and Datadog is the best in the business. Now I know what you're thinking. Datadog's down 39% from its high. That's a steep drop. And you're right, it's not pretty. But here's the thing. This pullback has nothing to do with the company's performance. In fact, their recent earnings report was a blowout. They crushed revenue and earnings estimates, and their customer growth is through the roof. So why the drop? Well, it all comes down to guidance. Datadog's management team, in their infinite wisdom, decided to be a little conservative with their outlook for the coming year. They're citing macroeconomic headwinds and uncertainty in the market. And while I understand their caution, I think they're being overly pessimistic. This is a company that's firing on all cylinders, and I'm confident they'll blow past their guidance once again. But here's the silver lining. This guidance miss has created a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity for savvy investors like you. Datadog's stock is now trading at a significant discount to its intrinsic value, and Wall Street analysts are projecting earnings growth of over 30% annually for the next 5 years. That's right, 30%. We're talking about a potential double, even a triple from these levels. Now I know some of you are thinking, Jim, Datadog's still not cheap, even after this pullback. And you're right, it's not a value stock, but we're not buying cheap here. We're buying quality. Datadog is a best-in-breed company with a massive market opportunity, a rock-solid balance sheet, and a management team that's laser-focused on growth. This is a stock you buy and hold for the long haul, the kind that can generate life-changing wealth. So, don't be scared off by the recent volatility. This is just a temporary setback for a company with a bright future. Datadog is a winner, and I'm betting big that they'll come roaring back stronger than ever. There you have it, folks. 2 incredible opportunities to make a killing in this crazy market. The Trade Desk and Datadog are 2 exceptional companies with the potential to deliver explosive returns in the years to come. Remember, fortunes are made in times like these when fear and uncertainty are at their peak. So, don't be afraid to be greedy when others are fearful. Do your own research, consult with your financial advisor, and make a decision that's right for you. But don't let this opportunity pass you by. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please share and subscribe for more insightful content on the stock market. Happy investing!